Welcome to SmartCart YouTube channel. We analyze customers' feedbacks and share insights into what real buyers are saying, helping you make informed purchasing decisions. Today we are looking at something completely bizarre.
Yeah, bizarre is definitely the right word for it. It's quite the curveball.
Right. And before we get totally sidetracked by this thing, just a quick reminder that the product buy link is available in pinned comment and description. So, please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe while you're listening.
So picture this. You're opening your kitchen drawer to prep dinner, and sitting right next to your sensible metal tools is, well, a bright green 6.5-inch Caterpillar.
I mean, I'm looking at the pictures of the genuine Fred Caterpillar right now, and it honestly looks like it belongs in a kid's sandbox. It just defies all expectations of what a kitchen gadget should be.
It really does. It's an immediate visual shock. The design completely departs from, the standard utilitarian gear we're so used to.
Which makes me wonder about the practicality. Like, if I'm peeling wet potatoes, isn't a slick plastic novelty toy just going to slip right out of my hands?
You'd totally think so at first glance, but the engineering underneath that whole whimsical exterior actually tells a very different story.
Wait, really? It's not just cheap hollow plastic?
No, not at all. The body is molded from heavy-duty, food-safe ABS plastic, which is an industrial-grade material used in high-impact applications.
Oh, wow. So it can survive being dropped on hard kitchen tiles, basically.
Exactly. And to address your exact concern about the wet potatoes, they incorporated these targeted rubber details into the design. It's built specifically to maintain your grip when things get slippery.
Okay, so the body is tough and you can actually hold on to it. But what about the actual peeling? A rigid bug doesn't sound like it can navigate the bumps on a carrot.
Well, that brings us to the core mechanism, the blade itself. It's made of stainless steel and, more importantly, it swivels.
Oh, it swivels, like the suspension on an off-road vehicle or something?
That is the perfect way to put it, yeah. If you have a rigid, fixed blade, it just crashes into the bumps of a potato and jams up. But the swivel acts like shock absorbers.
So it adjusts to hug the uneven terrain of whatever you're peeling, rather than just hacking straight into it.
Right, and they really committed to the utility here. I mean, they include a blade cover for safe storage, and the entire thing is completely dishwasher safe. You literally just toss it in with the plates.
It's just wild to me that they over-engineered what looks like a gag gift. High-impact ABS plastic and off-road suspension for root vegetables.
Yeah, it's pretty funny when you say it out loud. But that level of serious design points to a bigger question, really.
Yeah, like, why build it this way at all? Why take a perfectly functional tool and make it look like a cartoon bug?
So the answer lies in the philosophy of the brand behind it, Genuine Fred. They operate under Lifetime Brands, Inc., out of a renovated factory in Rhode Island.
Okay, Rhode Island. And what's their whole angle?
Their small design team actively targets what they call well-designed whimsy. And, the psychology behind that phrase is what's truly fascinating.
Well-designed whimsy. I like that. Does injecting absurdity into our kitchen tools actually trick us into enjoying our chores more?
Precisely. We tend to think of kitchen chores as tedious drudgery. And when a task carries that sense of tedium, our brains actually perceive it as a heavier cognitive lift.
So a playful object kind of intercepts that negative association.
Exactly. It's essentially a microdose of joy that lowers the mental barrier to doing the work. They're solving an everyday problem without making you feel like you're working in some industrial cafeteria.
Looking at the buyer feedback, this approach is clearly resonating. I mean, we're seeing over 100 of these bought in the past month alone.
Yeah, and the packaging seems to play a huge role in that context. It comes mounted on this very illustrative backer card.
Right, which totally transforms a boring utility item into a shared joke. And a great gift. Usually a potato peeler is an awful stocking stuffer.
Oh, absolutely terrible. But the aesthetic context changes everything here. It turns a mundane chore into a charm.
Which leaves you with a really fascinating thought to chew on next time you're dragging your feet about making dinner. How much does the aesthetic of our everyday utility items dictate our actual relationship with those tasks?
It's a great question. If a little green bug makes you crack a smile, maybe you subconsciously look forward to eating healthy just a little bit more.
You've been listening to SmartCart YouTube channel, where we help you make informed decisions. If you get any help from the video, then hit that red subscribe button showing below. Press bell icon for future videos notifications. You can also visit this channel and watch other videos for more useful gadgets, one product review at a time. We'll catch you next time.